Hello everyone, I'm Dr. John Phillips of 29th Street Dental Care right here in Chickasha, Oklahoma, and I have a different type of interview today. Today, Jessica has been with me 20 years. It's pretty crazy.
Very crazy.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
So why 29th Street Dental Care? What's it feel like to have been here 20 years?
It feels great. It's gone by super quick, but it's been very rewarding. It feels awesome to accomplish 20 years at the same place, but also easy in the same time because I love working here. I love the people I work with.
Outstanding. We've seen a lot of patients come, a lot of mouths restored. She has been my clinical assistant, working hand in hand with me for a very long time. Does anything come to your mind about different patients, about the lives that we've changed? Does any particular situation come to mind?
Probably not anything particular. There's been so many over the 20 years. There's been so many patients that I've seen from the phone call all the way up to maybe their last appointment. I've cried many times. Dr. Phillips gives me a hard time because I cry. I'm a crier, and there's been several tears shed with patients. It's so rewarding when you see a patient come in and so ashamed of their smile, and then we transform their lives and they leave a different person.
It's so much fun.
Yeah,
it
awesome.
truly is. Yeah. Do you remember the guy that came in that he drove the Harley Davidson motorcycle, and he said something to us? He said, I've got a big deal coming up. My
daughter's getting married.
My daughter's getting married.
Yes.
And the first thing I said was, when?
Yeah.
And he said 9 months from now. So we had time.
Yeah.
Do you remember this story?
Mm-hmm. We had time, and he was able to smile at his daughter's wedding. He brought us in a family picture of their wedding. They were all the picture, and he was smiling, and he was so proud that he could walk his daughter down the aisle and have a pretty smile.
And that's what we do. That's what's so fun about it, because we literally transform people. We want to know their story. Their story is what's important. It wasn't just about the smile.
No.
It's about what the smile was going to do for him, like allow him to walk his daughter down the aisle on her wedding day. Yep. We still have the picture in the office.
Yeah. Still look at it every day.
it is. Well, that's true. And that's why this is a career. This is our passion. This is not a job, because we truly help people every day.
Yeah.
And so I met Jessica July of 2004. Before I met her, she was living in Miami, Oklahoma, and one of my classmates called me, and he said, "I'm sending someone to you. She's moving to Chickasha. Just hire her." Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And that was Dr. Greg Hebert, and I'm like, "Well, I don't even know that I need," and he said, "Just hire her." Like, yeah, but I don't know that we need any, just hire her, he would say. And so we interviewed, and my wife and I hired Jessica. And the thing that I like about Jessica is she's the consummate professional. She's competent, but she's also competitive. And when I say competitive, what that means is she's actively looking for the very best for our patients. And whether it's a smile transformation, a smile design, whether it's doing a large cosmetic case, a large veneer case, or doing a denture case, or doing a single filling on a front tooth. Mm-hmm. She's also my eyes and my ears, and she's another opinion. She has an eye for teeth, she has an eye for the smile, and that doesn't come easy. And Jessica is not only highly trained, but Jessica has been with us so long that now she's training other people at a very high level. And she's training these young doctors to look at things from different angles. She's also training these assistants on how to see things from different angles that maybe the doctor doesn't see. And for that, I'm super appreciative for you, and I'm super appreciative to your loyalty to me and my wife, and to 29th Street Dental Care for the past 20 years. So thank you.
Yeah. Well, it's been an honor. It's been an honor to be able to work here and to do that stuff and to learn from Dr. Phillips. I mean, I learned from one of the best. So that's why I have my eye, because I watched him do it for 20 years. So that is the best part. I love the cosmetic, and I love being able to step in, and they'll be like, "Come in, and I can't see it. What is it?" You know, I walk in and I'm like, just show them the little things. And
it's always about the little things. Yeah. It's the little things that make such a big difference. And even today, it's about the little things. Where do you live?
Broken Arrow.
Broken Arrow.
Mm-hmm.
And you're in Chickasha.
I'm in Chickasha. I drive to Chickasha.
From Broken Arrow.
Yep.
From Broken Arrow.
From Broken Arrow.
Are there not dentists in Tulsa you could work for?
A ton. There's a ton, and that's what my husband says. Whenever I started driving, making the drive back and forth, he said, "Don't you know you pass a whole bunch of offices between here and Chickasha?" And I'm like, "Yeah, but it's not the same. Like it's just not the same."
Yeah, we like to think it's not the same. And how many other offices had you worked for before you came to work for us?
Just 2.
Okay.
One briefly before Dr. Hebert, and then
Yeah.
Dr. Hebert before I came here. Yeah.
And so today we have offices travel in from all over the United States,
Mm-hmm.
Tennessee, Kentucky, Florida, Alabama, Minnesota. We are now impacting other dental offices because of what we're known for, and that's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
And Jessica's played a part in that as well.
Mm-hmm.
If somebody was watching this, what would you want to tell them if they were thinking about coming here? Why are we different?
Gosh, well, the little things, like we were just talking about, it's in the little things, but it's also, we're like a family here. That's one reason why I do make the drive back, because it is like family, and we're close. And then just the quality of dentistry that we do, the pride we take in the work that we do. So I wouldn't go anywhere else. That's why I drive 2.5 hours to come to work here, because I wouldn't go anywhere else. I wouldn't go sit in another dental chair after I've seen what I've seen.
Yeah,
so, yeah.
That's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
That is really cool. And so I want to thank you for the past 20 years.
Yeah.
And I know that there's so many patients that want to thank you for the past 20 years. I'm a better dentist because of Jessica. Our office is better because of Jessica. Our team is better because of Jessica. And because she's coming here and pouring into our team now, she's more of a leadership role, training these new employees. We have employees that have been with me 5 to 7 to 10 years. And when they get time with her, they learn so much, and that's invaluable. And so when we started off, I always blame her, because when we started off, I had hair. And now, I'm just kidding. Life is good. I appreciate you watching. We like to have fun, and I sincerely want to thank you.
Well, I want to thank you guys too, because it's an honor to be able to work here, and I make the drive because it fills my bucket to come and love on the patients and love on the girls here. So
yeah. Thank you.
It's been an honor.
Thanks for listening today. This is a different type of video. We wanted to celebrate Jessica and their 20 years here. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you, and God bless.